Hello, welcome. Let's look at this problem. WAEC 2018 chemistry question 14. Pure water can be made to boil at a temperature lower than 100 degrees Celsius by option A, reducing its quantity, B, decreasing the external pressure, C, distilling it, D, increasing the external pressure. So how can you make pure water to boil at a temperature lower than 100 degrees Celsius? Is it by A, reducing its quantity, B, decreasing the external pressure, C, distilling it, D, increasing the external pressure? So what is the answer to this problem? The answer is actually B, decreasing the external pressure. Why is B, decreasing the external pressure, the answer? It is the answer because pure water can actually be made to boil at less than 100 degrees Celsius if the pressure of the atmosphere and this pressure of the atmosphere is actually the external pressure. So if the external pressure is reduced, then you can have pure water to boil at a temperature less than 100 degrees Celsius. So by decreasing the external pressure, in this case the external pressure is actually the atmospheric pressure. When you decrease this pressure, when you get this pressure reduced, then you can have pure water to boil at a temperature lower than 100 degrees Celsius. So that is a fantastic way of getting it to boil at a temperature that is lower than 100 degrees Celsius by reducing the external pressure. You have to reduce the external pressure. That is how you go about that. So you can actually find this under effects of pressure on boiling point. Effects of pressure on boiling point. How pressure affects the boiling point of substances. When you check it up, you're going to see that for a pure water, that it can actually boil at a temperature that is lesser than 100 degrees Celsius if the external pressure is reduced. So that is the answer to this problem. Please, if you like our video, always hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen. If you have any questions and concerns, drop it on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.